You think you are fast, you think you are safe. But in the untamed wilderness, speed is the ultimate weapon, and some creatures wield it with lethal precision. From the moment they strike, the clock starts ticking, and for their victims, time runs out in a matter of seconds, minutes, or even hours, depending on the predator. Have you ever wondered just how quickly some of the world's most dangerous animals can deliver a fatal blow? Forget what you have seen in movies. The reality is far more terrifying and instantaneous. We are about to count down the moments, from the instant of attack to the final breath, revealing the chilling speed at which these animals can end a life. This is not just about power. It is about the terrifying efficiency of nature's most perfect killers. Prepare to see the natural world in a new, heart-pounding light. The black mamba, a name that rightfully inspires fear, is a specter of death in the African savanna. It is not its dark mouth, revealed in a threat display, that is the most terrifying thing about it, but the sheer velocity of its venom. When a black mamba strikes, it does so with incredible speed, often delivering multiple bites in a single lightning-fast attack. Each bite injects a potent cocktail of neurotoxins and cardiotoxins directly into the victim's bloodstream. The initial symptoms can manifest within minutes, a tingling sensation, dizziness, and blurred vision. But the venom's true horror lies in its rapid assault on the nervous system. It systematically shuts down nerve function, leading to paralysis that spreads swiftly through the body. The diaphragm, the muscle essential for breathing, becomes paralyzed. Without immediate antivenom treatment, respiratory failure is inevitable. The entire process, from bite to fatal respiratory arrest, can take as little as 20 minutes. For a human, this means that, without access to advanced medical care almost immediately, a chance encounter with this snake is a death sentence measured in minutes. Shifting our gaze from land to the vast, mysterious ocean, we encounter the box jellyfish, an ethereal and almost invisible hunter. Drifting silently in the warm waters of the Indo-Pacific, this creature is armed with one of the most potent venoms on the planet. Its long, trailing tentacles are covered in thousands of microscopic stinging cells called cytocytes. The slightest touch triggers these cells, which fire tiny, venom-filled darts into the skin. The pain is immediate and excruciating, often described as being branded with a hot iron. But the pain is just the beginning. The venom is a complex cardiotoxin that attacks the heart, blood cells, and nervous systems simultaneously. The effect is catastrophic and incredibly fast. Victims can go into cardiogenic shock almost instantly. Their blood pressure plummets, their heart rhythm becomes chaotic, and the heart muscle itself begins to fail. In severe cases, a human can drown from the sheer shock and paralysis or die from cardiac arrest in as little as 2 to 5 minutes after being stung. It is a death so swift that many victims never even make it out of the water. In the freshwater rivers of South America lurks a predator whose reputation for ferocity is legendary. The piranha. While a single piranha is rarely a threat, their true danger is revealed when they hunt in a frenzied, coordinated school. Attracted by the scent of blood, a shoal of red-bellied piranhas can converge on a struggling animal or, in rare and tragic circumstances, a human. Their attack is a blur of motion and razor-sharp teeth. Each piranha possesses a single row of interlocking, triangular teeth designed for shearing flesh from bone with surgical precision. When a school attacks, they work in a horrifyingly efficient manner, stripping a carcass clean in a matter of minutes. For a large animal, death might come from massive blood loss and shock as hundreds of bites inflict deep wounds simultaneously. The speed is shocking. A capybara, for example, can be reduced to a skeleton in under 5 minutes. While fatal attacks on humans are exceedingly rare, the potential for a swift and gruesome end is a chilling reminder of the power of a collective hunting strategy. The speed here is not in the venom, but in the sheer, overwhelming force of numbers and the mechanical efficiency of their bite. From the silent, venomous killers to the frenzied pack hunters, the animal kingdom is filled with creatures that have mastered the art of the quick kill. The speed at which they operate is a stark testament to the brutal efficiency of evolution and a humbling reminder of our own vulnerability. Each of these animals demonstrates a different method, a unique biological weapon honed over millennia for one purpose: to end a life as quickly as possible. Understanding this terrifying speed is not about inciting fear, but about fostering a profound respect for the wild and its inhabitants. It forces us to recognize that in the grand theater of nature, we are not always the main character, and sometimes, the final curtain can fall with breathtaking speed.